start to show how it's working. First, you need to sit down, sit, and this will be better for wall. And another is that to adjust the distance. We have 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 secure holes to help you to make adjust the distance. The distance, the hook from here to this side, to the bottom side. Now after you adjust the distance you want, they start working. To only put the board. If you want to make the middle, you only to use the mark pen, make the one line here. And position 1, position 2, position 3. So worker only need to see, to close to that line you already marked. Then start to work it like this. This is the one to make that, to make it the hook on it. Okay, let's to make another one again. To make it in the middle side. Of course, here you already marked the second position already. So let's see that again. See, it's already installed on the board. We make it one more. To find the middle, and then press here one time. See here, one time, and also make the middle. After you working, then you just to reason this board, then it will be okay. So this will be very strong. We use this. See, very strong for this on board. This one. This will help you to shoot the hooks in one time to get this board, and very strong. This will not need any experience. Only any new worker can handle this machine. Very simple. Worker only need to mark the position you want to close to, and to put the board on it, and then to press the put slips. Then it can close to install on it, and also very strong. This is for the IKEA or the other company order large production automatic machine. This is a Tyson-free equipment, ESJ43 automatic machine. And if you need a very large production, automatic production line for the picture frame work, call us. We will help you. And to make all production very simple. Okay, this inside is our contact number. Welcome to contact us.